Oh shit, he got me in the current. Yeah, I got one, but he's got me in this weed, bro. Look, he's back here. He's only little. Chee-hoo! Got the dog. Was I recording? I was. Whew. Like you said, bud, I wouldn't like to get a metery in that current. Chee-hoo! See you later, buddy. Go and get big. Got him. Any size?
Doesn't matter, I think, or not?
Oh yeah, might be.
Okay. 50 pound.
There he are.
Is that a fish?
Yeah, lovely fish.
Oh, but I cast it.
He'd be 60 odd,
Yeah,
eh?
I should have my GoPro on, bro. I cast it. I knew. I cast it.
You
up
did
there.
cast up there where you said
And then
to.
it just dropped down there and he ate it in the middle.
Fuck yeah. Oh well, 2 fish in 5 minutes. We'll keep going.
That's 8. I fucking should have 8 fish.
Yeah, he's missed a few hits, the big fella. We'll keep going. Yeah, 100%.
That's done.
That's a nice one, boys.
Fish, eh?
Yeah. Bit of fresh runoff here.
1 from 8.
1 from 8.
1 from 8.
He's doing well, the big fella. Beautiful. If it was bowling scores, you'd be right. Hey, you knock it off there, young fella. Hey, I'm just trying to put you back, you stupid idiot. You want to live in the weeds. See ya, bud.
I'll bring you back. Oh, he's not.
Yeah, he's fat fish, bro.
Oh, no, don't.
He's putting it on him.
Gotta get him high, bro. Gotta try to drive and find this fish. I gotta go forward with electric. Multitasking it, don't rush him. We gotta be good see him, mate.
Yeah, it's dark, hey.
Yeah, don't rush him. I can't see him. He's out, ain't he?
Yeah.
Nearly gone through
Coming back under.
3 times. I'm not even recording either, right? That's
Oh, I probably could have had him then. Oh, get in the net, you big cunt! Nah.
Go head first, yeah, that's it.
Oh, bah, we need a bigger net.
Kitty and Carl's
That's why
baby
we come
Otto
up
both
here.
have something.
Big kick off.
All right, Kip.
Is that on the dog?
Yeah, bud. Got the dog. Nah. Oh. Another little ratty. Oh. Get this hook out of you, bud. See you, buddy. See you, buddy. Oh, that was a good hit.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Hey?
Still fish from where you are?
Yeah, yeah, I'm right. I'll work it out. Yep. Good one. Good one. Oh, that was a good one, bro. Do you see how thick he was? Do you see how thick he was, bud? Don't want it. Oh, yep, right at the boat. Right at the fucking boat. Another little ratty. Sitting under the boat, where they're safety at the moment. Oh, knock it off. See you, little fella.
Out of there or not?
I was winding back, but right at the boat, man. Oh, fucking seen the whole fish come up, bro. Nah, probably 50. Under that tree you come out from. Turned on it. Nah. Oh, there he was again. Just not committed now. Slowed down a little bit. Yeah. Hey. Oh, get out. Another little baba. Oh, trebles there. You stupid fish, stay still. I just want to let you go, bro. See you, bud. Didn't even see it. Because he swam down. Oh, got him. Where's he gone? He's gone.
I did land him. Fuck off, bro.
Oh no.
Oh, head's out there.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
I need to break these up, bro.
Little dog. Oh,
Filthy animal.
third cast you cut. Hey, not bad. Pretty close to legal, eh? 55, 58. In there somewhere. Oh, as soon as I hit the fucking water. Lovely. Yep.
Wait, fish on here. Double.
This is where they are, bud. Settle down, dickhead. And we'll be friends.
Fuck, he just jumped into the bait there. That was funny as fuck.
Oh, he's got you in there, didn't he? See you, bud. Ah, you March fly dog.
Very, come here.
Oh, straight on the fucking end.
Right, I'm doing it, bud.
He's going for it. Oh, that's a better fish, eh? I think he's over legal, that fella.
No.
You go, oh, maybe walk that way, bro. You try and get him into that bay. I'll come with you. I'm doing it, I'm doing it. Yep. Literally 5 seconds, you prick. What was that up that lane again? He's a better fish, I think, eh? Maybe, yeah, walk that way.
That fucking foam, eh?
Yeah, you can't see shit. Yeah, he's better.
Better fish.
Better. Lovely. There's another one. Just like the other ones, a little bit